Hi, my name is Mandy Kolkman, and I am the Artistic Director at the Fort Wayne Dance Collective. The Fort Wayne Dance Collective has a mission to inspire and empower people of all ages and abilities through rhythm and movement, and we have some really unique programming to serve the greater Fort Wayne community. We are here at our on-site studio in downtown Fort Wayne at 437 East Berry Street. This is our lobby area where you can wait before you're taking our classes, or you could have parents, guardians sitting in this area and taking a look and seeing what their little dancers are doing on our screens. Welcome to our Elliot Studio Theater. Right now it is set up as a theater, and other times this is a space just where we can dance with ballet bars built into the wall behind this curtain. And we also have portable ballet bars in all of our dance studios to accommodate all of our dancers. This is a nice sprung floor with Marley on top of it that we enjoy as we are doing many different types of dance, such as contemporary, modern, ballet, tap, hip hop, belly dance, and much more. This is our Tyler Studio. This is where a lot of our taiko drumming classes take place, and also many of our creative movement classes. All of our studios are accessible to all, and we also have dressing rooms in our lobbies for easy access to change if you're coming right from work or a different activity. A great way to connect with us would be to check us out on social media. We are on Facebook as well as Instagram. We also have a website, fwdc.org, where you can see all of our programs, from the classes that you can take at our on-site studio to what we're doing outside in the community.